Katagan ko niya ako. Pabre. Is this for mama? Huh? No? Is this for mama, bebe? So mama will drink this. Okay, I'll drink it now. I'm gonna shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. And mama will open this. Mama will drink the Yakult. Yummy. Yeah, this is for mama. Thank you. I thought this is for mama. It's yummy.